Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare DJI Neo and DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Neo and DJI Mini 4K are both with unique features and capabilities. The DJI Neo is designed for more advanced users, offering superior camera performance. The feature of DJI Neo make it ideal for professional-grade aerial photography and videography. Additionally, its large sensor and high resolution allow for stunning image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. The main advantage of DJI Neo is excel in professional application with advanced flight modes and extensive customization option. The DJI Mini 4K is praised for its ultra lightweight design, which is 249 grams, making it easily portable. It boasts a compact design, making it highly portable and is equipped with a capable 4K. It performs well under moderate wind conditions, offering level 5 wind resistance, which is quite strong for a drone of this size and price range. However, the DJI Mini 4K lacks some advanced features such as obstacle avoidance. In my opinion, the DJI Mini 4K is worth it for better camera quality and overall performance, while the DJI Neo is more budget-friendly with basic features. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.